The brave little chick? High in the great oak tree lived a little bird named Kaylee. Kaylee was special because she had feathers of every color of the rainbow. Her mother, Bree, tucked her in every morning with a soft chirp. One sunny afternoon, Zenith and Bree needed to find some juicy berries for lunch. "Stay safe in the nest, Kaylee," Zenith said. They flapped their wings and flew high into the blue sky. Kaylee was a brave little chick. She practiced flapping her tiny wings and watched the butterflies dance through the leaves. The forest was peaceful and full of song. But deep in the shadows, someone was watching. Slither, the snake, began to crawl up the rough bark of the great oak. He was hungry and very, very sneaky. Slither reached the branch and hissed. He poked his scaly head right into the nest. Kaylee stood as tall as she could. She didn't want to be scared, but Slither was very big. "Help! Help!" Kaylee chirped as loud as she could. Her voice rang out across the forest. She hoped someone would hear her little song and come to the rescue. Suddenly, a blur of feathers arrived. It was Swift, the neighbor from the next tree over. He swooped down from the sky and pecked at Slither's long tail. Then came Lark, another friend from the woods. Together, the neighbor birds darted and dived around the snake. Slither realized he was not welcome at the great oak. Slither quickly slid back down the tree and disappeared into the tall grass. Just then, Zenith and Bree returned with plenty of berries for everyone. Zenith hugged Kaylee with his big blue wings. "You were very brave," he said. "And because our friends worked together, the snake went away. Remember, Kaylee, unity is strength."